Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Well, today is a new full escape of every two. And also, there's a new map, harder than Blue Moon. It's poisonous chams. That's the new map. It's so crazy. Yeah, I thought Lighthouse was going to be the next one, but no. But there has been some new maps that have been added. Yeah, I haven't heard it. Yeah, I haven't played this in a bit. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, there's been some new maps added to the game. And they are Construction Thrill, Sunken Citadel, and, it's Poisonous Cham. Yeah, I'm not concluding. Oh, okay. Why not vote for, Northern Workshop? Oh, what? Northern Workshop? Oh, I heard of that map, but I haven't played it before. I don't know why it's in here. But yeah. Come on, let's check up. No, they tricked me. No. Looks like she's gonna go after the button. Yeah, so yeah, I haven't uploaded in a while. Sorry about that. Like, I'm just sorry. Hey, let's go. Okay, yeah, there's a new map been added to the, and yeah. Construction Thrill, like, this is what you're all watching for the video for. Like, you came here to watch this map. Okay, I'm gonna check them after I complete this. So, yeah. Yes, I survived. That's my new emote. Yep. The last video got 3 dislikes. Whoever disliked that video, then I'm gonna report them. And well, this one gets no dislikes. Like the last FE2 video did. Yeah, this 360 we can mess them up. Haha, they won't go too hard. That's so funny. The vote map. Yeah, that's a new system. The vote system. Construction Thrill, you are coming with me. Yep, that's what it just did. The dog? That's crazy. I'm a dog button. This is already watching the video. This is what you're waiting for. This is what you're watching the video for. Okay, Construction Thrill. He is gonna get defeated. Yeah, I know where they're going this map since I've seen people play this before. Wow, no one go after that button. Oh, I need to go the other way. Oh, come on. This is a new map, so yeah, I'm kind of confused. Yep, I know I'm gonna complete this. Yeah, I haven't played for Escape 2 in a bit. So, yeah, but then, okay, it's not gonna be Dark Side, it's only because of this. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get Poisonous Chams in this video. Yeah, because that's a crazy map and it's hard to get. Okay, I can hear the music, it's going fast. Yeah, I like the music, by the way. Okay, there's water, which is no. Yeah, this is an easy one. With me. Yeah, just look how easy it is. There's someone. Yes, are we gonna complete it? Yes, this is it. Yes, we completed it. Yes! The second new map first new map that have been completed, and I completed Fallen before. Yeah, like a month ago, well, not a month, or weeks ago. Okay, cave system. Well, remember last time the video and oh wow. Remember last time the video ended when we did this one? But now, since there's enough time, it won't end. So you can see this map. Okay, good. Somebody went after the banner. Because if he didn't, then I'll be like, wow. Really? Okay, let's trick this guy with shortcuts. Yeah, there's not going to be no saints in this video. Yeah, this takes a while to upload, by the way. Okay, so yeah, we messed him up. Oh, come on now. I'm the one left behind. Okay, so I'm the one left behind. Yeah, I know people have done this before. But yeah, I don't know how I should show my face or not. I just don't know. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, Sunken Citadel. Yes. Yeah. Wow. I just wasted all my coins on that. Well, yep. Sunken Citadel. Yes. Yes, Sunken Citadel by Animal Gamer. Oh, I didn't get to eat it, but you know. Yes, this map is like the script C's. Yeah, this is the hardest horde, by the way. It's even harder than Wild Savannah Sedimentary Temple too. Like, look how hard these jumps are. Well, I'm gonna show you like the hard jumps, okay? These are not hard, by the way. These are easy jumps. Yeah, like this jump. This jump is hard. Yeah. Yeah, that jump is hard. Look, I almost fell. Oh, this is the hardest jump. See, this is why it's the hardest one, because it has a lot of hard jumps. Yeah, this has a lot of hard jumps. Okay. Only 3 people left, which is not good. OMG, my it's an acid bite. Boom, I thought it was the acid bite one. Yeah, this is a map making kit. This is in the community maps. If you don't know what those are, then it's a community map test where like you like put it. You did not just see that, right? You did not just see that. Oh no, come on. Oh, it's because those stupid people that like to don't vote for the hard maps and new maps. This is why I have this many coins now. Oh, I already hate them. Forgotten Tombs. Forgotten Tombs. Yeah. Forgotten Tombs is the one. Yes, Forgotten Tombs. Oh, we're gonna run out of time soon. Well, I hope don't fail on these jumps, because these jumps are hard. Okay, good. I need them. I can hear the music. Yeah, this is the same soundtrack as Lava Tower. Yeah, this is like beneath the rules, by the way. Sunken Citadel is... Oh, that guy just died there. That is not funny, by the way. Oh no, we're gonna run out of time soon. No. That's not good at all. Remember, I didn't know. Well, now I know there's a thing here. Yeah. So you don't have to make that up. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and guys, next time, bye. Bye bye.